Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Mannu Issue ACCA classes. So in this video, I will be discussing the further rest of the question from the Kaplan Kit, and this is from the F3 so-called Financial Accounting paper. So in case you haven't missed out my previous video, because I have been already discussed the 99 question from the Kaplan Kit. So in case you have been missed out my previous video, you can still access those video from the playlist available on my YouTube channel at free of cost. Right, so for the new viewers who are watching my video for the first time, do not forget to subscribe my channel and share it among your friends so that they could also have the benefit. And this is also the first time I'm showing my face over my channel, so I hope you guys will feel more interactive in the further coming of videos. So I hope so I will get a good response. So let's start the today question, and that's 100. Which of the following statement is not true in relation to the importance of proprietor maintaining financial record for internal use? Okay, so question is basically asking, out of the four options, which one is not true, which one is not correct in relation to importance of proprietor maintaining financial record for internal use. So basically, if we talk about the primary purpose of maintaining financial record, it is if for the internal use by the business owner, so-called proprietor. So they basically maintain those record so that it will allow them to manage, control, and make informed decision about their business. Right, providing information to the general public is not typically internal use of the accounting record. So most of the information they used to keep private unless required by the regulation, right? Such as especially for the public company. So let's analyze the option one by one, then we could figure out which one is the correct answer. So first one is saying, accounting record enable proprietor to manage and control the business. So obviously, accounting record help the proprietor to monitor their financial performance and manage their operation effectively. So option A is somehow true, right? Remember that the question is asking which one is not true, right? So read the question carefully first. Then option B is saying, accounting record enable a proprietor to reconcile the bank and cash balance. This is also true. Why? Because it will allow a proprietor to track their cash flow and to ensure that the bank balance align with the recorded transaction. Right. So C is somehow also true. Let's move to the option C. Accounting record enable the proprietor to make investment decision regarding the business. This is also correct, because obviously if they have a financial record, it will help a proprietor to assess how the financial health of the business is, so that they can make an informed decision whether they are having a sufficient cash or other resources, or for any decision any investment decision they are going to take. Right. So C is also somehow correct. D is accounting record enable a proprietor to provide information that may be in the interest of to the general public. So D1 is not correct, because the question is asking for the internal purpose, and not all the information is required to be required to be disclosed to the general public. So right, so that's why D seems to be correct answer regarding the question which has been asked. Other three option seems to be somehow true. Right, let's move to the next question. Which of the following statement is not true in relation to the importance of proprietor maintaining the financial record for external use? Let's read the question one more time. Which of the following statement is not true in relation to the importance of proprietor maintaining the financial record for external use? Right? So again, question is asking which one is not true. And in relation to the importance of proprietor maintaining financial record for the external use. This question is somehow similar to the 100 number, but in 100 they ask for the internal use, and in 101 they're asking for the external use, right? So let's evaluate the option, and before that, let's evaluate the option one by one, then we can find out our correct answer. The first one is saying they enable the proprietor to provide information to lender and creditor of the business to support credit and loan application. Obviously, if we are disclosing our financial record, so financial record, they, if we are about to take loan, or obviously any of the lender, they will first assess our financial statement to know what is the position and performance of the business before they provide any loan, right? So this is somehow true. Financial record are used externally to demonstrate that financial stability of the business to the lender and the creditor, right? So option B, they enable the proprietor to make investment decision relating to the business. So making investment decision is primarily an internal use of the financial record, right? As we have discussed in the question number 100, right? So it is not directly related to the external use of financial record. So external use typically involve providing information to third parties such as lender, creditor, tax authorities, and sometimes it may be the general public, right? So option B seems to be correct, but let's do not conclude now. Let's evaluate the other two options before making any conclusion. So C is saying they enable the proprietor to provide information to the tax authorities relevant to the business. As I said, obviously tax authority is one of the third party, right? So it is also true because external financial record are necessary for the tax reporting and compliance with the tax authorities, right? So that's why it is somehow also true. So option D, they enable interested parties such as general public to review and evaluate the financial and economic impact that the business has upon community, right? So providing information to the interested party such as the general public to review the financial impact of the business is some also indicate the importance of maintaining financial record for the external use, right? So in some case, the external party, including the general public or the regulators, may be interested in the financial performance of the business. Especially general public, sometimes they may want to know what the business is doing for the environment or other people around them, right? So they might be interested in the performance and position of the business. So these also somehow true in relation to the importance of maintaining financial record for the external use. So somehow B seems to be for the internal use. That's why option B is correct answer for the 101, right? Okay, so that's it for the double entry question, and in next video we will start doing from the general ledger account and the journal. Okay, so do let me know in case you're having any question and queries in the comment box, or I have just kept the link of every social media ID in the description box. You can ping me there as well. So thank you so much guys, and please let me know whether this video was interactive or not, right? So see you in the next video. So have a good day. Bye.